Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and kicking off the version change. Run Flutter version to know where you are, and make sure Git and Flutter/bin are on path. These enable channel and tag switching. Clone or backup your existing SDK or the project's pub cache, because downgrades can break packages. Once done, decide whether you need a stable, beta, or a specific tag. That choice governs the commands you'll run next and why you pick a channel versus a commit. You now perform the actual switch. If you want a general channel change, use Flutter channel stable or beta, and then Flutter upgrade to fetch the latest on that channel. For an exact SDK version, go into your Flutter SDK folder, git fetch all and git checkout tag or commit, then run Flutter Doctor to update artifacts. Make sure to run Flutter pub-get in each project to align package versions. If you use FVM, run FVM install version and FVM use version for per-project control. You finish by validating and fixing issues. Rebuild your app and run Flutter Doctor. Address any missing Android SDK or Xcode versions it reports. If packages fail, Flutter clean and Flutter pub-get or Flutter pub cache repair to fix corrupted packages. Once done, run Flutter per cache if artifacts didn't download. If problems continue, restore your backup or reinstall the SDK. This resolves broken Git states. One key tip: when you hit dependency conflicts after changing SDK,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.